Hello, it's Alicia with Ali.plans Cuteness, and I am here today to unbox a swap. This is from the Be Happy swap. It's hosted by Sandy_521 Lake Street, and it's a one-on-one. So my partner was Brooke at B Northway Designs, and so I am very excited to dig in. So I just opened the package, so I literally just cut open the box so that I could, cover the address, but I have not dug into this at all yet. So I am so excited. But look how cute. Just even like the packaging is adorable. I'm gonna save this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so cute. All right, let's see here. I think I saw on her Instagram, oops, sorry, that she is a guest designer on the design team for Rosie Studios, and I love their stuff. And I saw some of the stuff that she made with like a bee kit, and I was like, ooh, I really hope she uses that kit because it's so pretty. And I think she did. Look at this pocket. So this is a beautiful loaded pocket, and she's got it embellished. Oh, I love these little floofers, and there's a shaker on it. I'm not going to shake it right now just because they're a little bit, I don't want all the stuff to fall out, but this is so adorable. All right, and so here, let's look at Love grows here. Love grows here. That's such a cute little pic. I love it. And then, oh my gosh. This is the cutest stinking thing ever. This little scoop. What a brilliant idea. And she put it on a ring that she beaded. Wow. I'm going to leave it in the package for now so I can like take a picture of it because I don't think I'll ever get it looking this nice again. But look at that. This is just so beautifully packaged. This is so fun. I'm so excited about that. Definitely can use that. And then, oh, look at this sequin mix. Oh my gosh. This little bear bag is adorable. And then look at this sequin mix. Let's see if I can pour a little bit out here. Are there little containers nearby? Yes. I have this little tray. This was gifted to me by Ursula a little while ago. Let's take a look at some of this. This is so cute. I have not seen a sprinkle mix like this. So I love these little like honeycomb, like black polka dot beads. And then look at these little bees. Oh, there's little gems in there. If you can see that, flowers. This is beautiful. And she gave me so much. Like, look how much is in here. This would fill many shakers. So that is so exciting. This is really pretty. Okay, so that is beautiful. Oh, okay. Put that in there. That's so cute. Cute little honey bear. I love it. Oh my goodness. And then, yes, this is what I saw on her Instagram. And I was like, that is so pretty. And it's part of her swap. Oh, did she crochet this? Shut up. This is so cute. I'm gonna have to ask her. I don't know if she bought this or crocheted it, but either way, that is like, if she crocheted this herself, that is like perfect. I did crochet for a little bit, and I bought, of course, a whole bunch of yarn, and now it's just sitting there because it hurts my wrists. But this is so pretty. This I can take out. Look at this. She's got them popped up. She's got all these layers popped up on foam. These little pretty bees. I think I made these same bees. And then, wow. So pretty. This is beautiful. I love this. Yes, so this is what I had seen, was these little flags, and I was like, oh, those are so cute. I hope she uses that collection, and not only did she use the collection, but I got the little flags. That's so exciting. And then these, oh, look it, I think she made these. You know what, I think I might have gotten this die a while ago, and then never made it. But it's like it's a wax sealed die. That looks pretty. I need to bust this out because that looks very good. I don't want to open it because, again, there's some sequin mix in there. I don't want it to spill. But look at all these beautiful bee wax seals. Oh, this is so pretty. All right. And then I think, oh, nope, there's still more. Oh, these are her shakers. Oh. Okay, now the pocket's going to fall over. These are so pretty. Look at these shakers. Oh my gosh, I love everything. And I forgot to mention the requirements. So the requirements were to do 6 bee-themed projects. And you had to include your mem decks. So at least one of the 6 had to be a mem decks. And then you had to include some store-bought items and use some creative packaging. So, oh, look at that. That is so pretty. And she used like really thick foam. I can never get my thick foam to cut the way I want it to. Oh, okay, so there's all of that. And then we still have this whole other bag, you guys. This is just craziness. This is so pretty. And I love it. Like, all of this is stuff that I can use. Like, all of this is stuff that I would, you know, put on a craft, or maybe not, because I just want to keep it and stare at it because it's so pretty. I could use this scoop. Like, I love that. Because sometimes these little trinkets and things are great, but then I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. This is so cute. She made this little charm dangle. Ooh, I love that honeycomb. I've never seen that before. And then a bell. We put like this, I don't even know what you call this, the little thing to scoop the honey. So pretty. I love this dangle. This is so creative. And look at this pretty bag. Did she, I don't know, did she stitch? No, I think this is printed on. Okay, it looked like it was stitched because of the bee, but no, it's printed on. Very pretty. I love this. This is like such a good size too. This is a perfect tote. I will definitely be using this. And let's see what's inside. More goodies. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so some socks. How cute. Oh, and this tool is really pretty too. I'm gonna save that. It's like honey around the edge. That is adorable. I love these. These are very cute. And then, so she stitched this. Look at this, you guys. She stitched this bag closed. I almost don't want to open it. Oh man. Oh, wait, can I get, no. Alright, I think I'm going to open it from the side because that is too pretty. Look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I don't think I can reclose it, but it's too pretty to damage that stitched part. So I'm going to try to open it from the side here without damaging it. Oh man, this did not want to cut. Oh no, there it is. Oh, I destroy it by cutting it. Okay, let's see. Alright, there we go. This is her Memdex. That is so beautiful. Look at those layers. I love it. Oh my goodness. I want to be you. And let's see. So we've got Handmade by Brooke, and those are her socials. Her birthday is March 23rd. Her favorite colors are pink and yellow. You can see that throughout this. She likes dyes. Ooh, I did send her some dyes, but I think she has them. I think it's the bees. I think I sent her these, like the bee ones that she used. She can pass it along. Charms, beads, and paper. So cute. So pretty. Ooh, this paper. I like this paper. People keep talking about that shiny paper from scrapbook.com. It seems to be a little like textured, so I don't know if this is, I think it's cardstock maybe? I don't know. Alright, so let's keep looking. Look at this little bee notebook. Very pretty. Maybe it's a moth, but that's okay. It still fits the theme and the color. And then, look, you can hang a little dangle off of it. So cute. This is a perfect little notebook. And then these are beautiful. I sent her these parts too, but in a different theme. And yeah, this is the kit. So this is a Hello Honey. So that's so smart. Like, how pretty is that? You just use the packaging. It looks like these were like stickers that she bought, but she made these. So pretty. And oh, there's still more. Let's see here. Okay, let's look at it. Look at this little envelope. I'm in love with all of this. This is just too cute. I really like Rosie Studios. I just discovered them, and I've only ordered once, but I ordered a big order because I knew that shipping was going to be a little bit crazy. But I ordered all like clearance stuff, so their stuff was like super cheap. Like a whole collection kit was like, I don't even know, like $5, $10, some were like 20, but it came with like papers and embellishments and all kinds of like ephemera. And she also had like a stickers, and I think she still has it actually, like 40 stickers for 50 sticker sheets, like sheets for like $15. I don't even know. So I got a bunch of stuff, but I don't have this one because this was not on clearance, and I only got clearance. Look at this, so pretty. Oh, I need to like just hang all this stuff up somewhere. I am not giving this away. I need to keep all of this. Look at that. And this little envelope is just perfect. She's got Velcro closure. Oh. Alrighty. Yep, yep, yep. Come on. There. And very cute little bag. All her packaging is just, like, it's very, like, I always feel like I need to make mine way more elaborate. Like, mine are too basic. And, like, I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, this is elaborate, like, all this little work. But, I don't know. It just seems so clean. Like, it's just, like, a clean, it doesn't look cluttered. It just looks clean and beautiful. Oh, is this a banner? I really can hang this up. Oh, my gosh. I am going to do that. Ah! Oh my goodness, I have something. I was just saying, I want to hang up her stuff. Oh man, no. Okay, there we go. So pretty. Stop it. Look at this. I am in love with this. This is so cute. Oh, and it's stuck. There we go. How pretty. So there's one. And then here's another one. That honeycomb in the background is just perfect. And these little charms. Awesome. And then, yep, here's her name on it. And here's the last one. Oh, wow. This is getting hung up for sure. I love it. So pretty. Oh. Thank you so much, Brooke. This was just beautiful. I literally was like wanting your stuff when I saw it on Instagram. I was like, I'm so jealous. Those are so pretty. I wish I could make that. And I got it as like the swap. So this is so beautiful. So please go give Brooke some crafty love. She did a phenomenal job. And so that's probably why she's on the design team, because she just is doing this amazing work. So yep, here is everything. And also, again, thank you to Sandy for hosting this and setting this up. This was a really fun one. So until next time, happy crafting. Bye.